our Lieutenant Governor of Marketing is my good friend, past District Governor, distinguished Toastmaster, Linnaea Mallette.
Janet, could you please join me here? Is she not gorgeous? Yeah. And I can tell you, she is as beautiful on the inside as she is on the outside. She's a member of the Golden Gavel
And
Toastmasters Club, and her qualifying...
An EPP!
Oh, thank you. Was about volunteers. Now, who can imagine putting together a 20-minute speech that effectively encourages people to become volunteers? She did it. It was a wonderful, insightful, intelligent speech. Right? Those of you who heard it? Yep. So not only do you get the beauty, you get brains too. This is a woman who walks the talk. And I can tell you, we are very lucky to have her as our Lieutenant Governor. Now, Janet, we have the goal of being a President Distinguished District. And I can tell you, that ain't gonna happen unless we meet the numbers for new clubs, new members, and existing members staying. Robert O'Donnell taught me early on, and I've seen it in my 20 years in Toastmasters. LGM is the weeding position. People who are not strong enough don't make it. And people who do make it go all the way to the governor to an excellent job. I already know this woman because I've seen her take on certain challenges with clarity, focus, and what is that annoying? The thing about hearing is they amplify everything. Janet, I would like to present to you this beautiful necklace made by Susie Denier. Covering up boobs is not the only thing Susie does. And it symbolizes who you are now and what more you are going to become as you move through this time. It has the Toastmasters colors. She lives the Toastmasters colors. It has flowers. I've already seen her blossom as a leader, and in the coming 3 years, watch out. It has a key called heart. The key called heart. This woman already has a lot of heart, and it is the heart that she brings to this role that's going to encourage, inspire people to say yes. Besides her beauty. Yes, new clubs. Yes, I'll stay a member. Yes, I'll join her. Because she's full of heart. So I'd like to present this to you. So Jim, as LGM, it is your responsibility to build new clubs. Have members stay, existing members stay in clubs, maybe even join second clubs, and also encourage people who are not yet familiar with this amazing organization to join it. It is a daunting task. And I want to give to you a piece of advice that Alfred gave to me once at a Christmas. You may not remember this, but I never forgot it. It was at a 407 Christmas party. And I don't know if I was VP or LGM, I might have been LGM. He said, Linnaea, I want to give you a piece of advice. Build new clubs. Build new clubs. If you have weak clubs that are a pain in the neck and don't want to change, do not waste your time on them. Not Joe, whose theme is making, having fun and making trouble. She is reworking beliefs and cultures that the district has held fast to for many years. So you want to check with her to see if she wants her to follow that advice. But for me, it worked. It worked. I think the most important thing you can do for the district, and for those who don't know about Toastmasters, is build new clubs. You're going to have meetings up to wazoo, you know that. Thank you, Joe, for being innovative and look forward-looking. A lot of those will be online. You want to make sure your boobs are covered. Are you willing to accept this? Amazing. See, I have the video. I can edit. Are you willing to accept this dude?
I absolutely am ready.
And I present to you the LGM show.
Fellow Toastmasters, area governors, division governors, leaders, I'm following Alfred Herzing's advice. We are building new clubs, and I am going to personally call every area and division governor, and you are going to commit to giving me a viable lead, a living, breathing lead, and we are going to make it happen. I have an outrageous goal of 30 new clubs. Yeah.